the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Nvidia shares down 1% after Q1 results.
Okay, we're bullish on the 4 hours. That's something to keep in mind. Bullish on the 4-hour time frame. Hourly. Oh, fuck. Did you? Fuck.
WTI crude futures extend gains, rise 4%.
Okay. We're technically. We sweep these out and then start the rotations up. Honestly, that would probably be ideal, but we're not gonna try to predict. We're gonna see what the market is giving us. Now we have news at 9:45 anyways.
At 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we have US S&P May prelim PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 53.8, prior 54.5, with a range of 55 to 52.9. Services forecast 51.1, prior 51, with a range of 52 to 49.4. And composite PMI flash forecast 51.8, prior 51.7. Seeing IBM shares up 4% after a report that the company to get $1 billion from the US to boost quantum computing. Nvidia shares rise 1.3%. So reminder in 5 minutes time, we're expecting US S&P services PMI flash. Forecast 51.2, prior 51. Manufacturing PMI flash, forecast 53.8, prior 54.5. And composite PMI flash, forecast 51.8, prior 51.7.
All right, so right now we're looking at two different scenarios, and honestly, the market isn't giving any sort of confirmation of going in either direction. I mean, this just looks like garbage right now, which means we're not going to trade anything right now. We have two conflicting biases. We have a 5-minute breaker structure on NASDAQ, and then a 5-minute breaker structure to the down. We're still in 5-minute bearish order flow, or no, we have a 5-minute breaker structure to the downside on ES. I mean, I would like to short down to these lows, but realistically, I don't think that's going to happen. Just in that sense, and we didn't even break structure to the upside on any of these indexes. So to me, none of this looks like anything to trade. Now, if we come out, sweep these highs, and then break structure to the downside, I could be convinced. But right now, the market is not giving any sort of, I mean, literally anything. I would really like to short down to those lows, but I just don't think it's a good idea. It's too early, first off. 2 minutes anyways. We have news coming out in 2 minutes, right? We have this news. I don't think it's going to be that drastic, but you never know. Yeah, I mean, there's absolutely no reason to be entering right now. Absolutely no reason.
1 minute remaining. I'll be leading with services PMI.
Okay, we are on the right accounts. I did not need to do that. Now, the scenario that probably would play out, ES sweeps out these lows, NQ does not, and then we start the rotation up. But I mean, this doesn't even look like
10 seconds.
tradable. And we're fucking lagging.
50 spot 9, 50 spot 9, lower than forecast to 51
Oh,
spot
there we
2.
are.
Manufacturing PMI 55 spot 3, 55 spot 3, higher than forecast to 53 spot 8. Composite PMI flash 51 spot 7, 51 spot 7. That's lower than the forecast to 51 spot 8.
I mean, still, you're looking at this shit, and there's literally nothing. There is nothing. Yeah, I mean, right now we are maintaining bullish structure. I don't want to take anything right now, realistically. I would just need NQ to come back down, inverse the fair value gap, and then from there. Oh, okay, we done that. So there is a possibility.
The yield on 10-year US Treasury notes ticked down after business activity data, last at 4.627%, and 2-year US Treasury yield slips after the activity data, last at 4.115%, and 30-year Treasury yield slips after business activity data, last at 5.148%.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Holy shit. Well, we inverse that gap on
At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the Eurozone Consumer Confidence Flash, forecast -20.6, prior -20.6.
Oh my god, bro.
Seeing some weakness in WTI crude, bit of strength in the S&P 500, a little bit of weakness in the US dollar.
Well, there goes that. It literally looked like a fucking news event. Yeah.
So we are seeing here Al Jazeera saying Iranian official denies report that Iran's supreme leader said that uranium must stay in Iran. So again, Al Jazeera says, quoting an Iranian official, denying a report that Iran's supreme leader said that uranium must stay in Iran. So we did see some weakness in WTI crude, bit of strength in the S&P 500, and some weakness in the dollar as well. So right in 5 minutes time, we're expecting Eurozone consumer confidence flash, forecast minus 20.6, unchanged from the prior.
Was an entry right here. Ah, nothing.
1 minute remaining.
Shit sucks, bro.
Ten seconds. Still waiting on the data.
Honestly, I don't even want to trade on that. Let's just trade the evals. This is tough, bruh. Really? We get manipulated by this fucking Drake handle, bruh. That's absolutely insane to me that we were that close to the 4-hour draws and we completely missed it. I mean, it is what it is. What are you gonna do? I can't complain. I can't sit here and bitch about it, but bro, like, come on. And of course, like, I get stopped out at break even, and then this starts to move in my direction. We missed the entry anyways right here. And if we get a retracement. Actually, like, sucks so badly. Yeah, I mean, we enter our setup. There's absolutely nothing to be upset about, but now we're probably gonna bull run. If I had to guess. Just left those 4-hour lows though. It just doesn't sit well with me.
Minus 19, minus 19. Higher than the forecast,
It
minus
literally
20
broke
spot 6.
structure, then we literally bottom ticked it. Oh, that's so poop. And now it's about to go all the way to our draws of liquidity, man. Alright. It's alright. It's okay. It is okay. So tough. Just need to wait for a pullback. I don't even remember what it was. It was like a 1.1. 253.5. 231. Hey, you gotta take it to the chest. You gotta take it to the chest. There's absolutely nothing I could have done in that situation except sit with it. And yeah, now we live and we learn. I wouldn't have changed a thing about that entry. Literally not a thing. Let's make sure we're on the eval. I guess we can trade the eval. Also unfortunate too about the stop out. Oops. Long right here, stops right here. This high. I trade? Nah, just one eval for now. No need to trade both. Eval, right? Yeah. Okay. Market. You ain't looking too hot, bruh. This is just weird, just getting dicked down today. Thankfully, I didn't take this trade on an account, but damn, we would have got stopped out of break even anyways. Oh my god, bro, what is happening?
According to Iranian envoy, Iran and Oman discussing a permanent Hormuz toll. So again, according to an Iranian envoy, Iran and Oman are discussing a permanent Hormuz toll.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase. It saves 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
There's gotta be some valuation. 40 micro. This has to be some bullshit, right? You guys are fucking with me right now, right? So now you want to go and take it out. This shit sucks, bro. We did inverse the gap.
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we're expecting the EIA natural gas change. Forecast a build of 96 BCF, prior a build of 85 BCF.
Come on, guys, let's get a retracement. Stupid price today. We got motion? Do we got motion? Probably not, but as long as we don't take out the draw. This one is like clear as day that we're gonna hit that, but you kind of just gotta wait and see.
Reminder in 5 minutes' time, expecting the EIA natural gas change. Forecast a build of 96 BCF prior a build of 85 BCF.
Come on, bro. Give me the 5-minute retracement. We had the short buys, but you motherfucker. If it hits it, we're done for the day. We're literally not trading. We're just gonna walk away, but it's way too easy of liquidity to not try to take that trade. In my opinion, I mean, it looks so clear, but we might not even get a retracement. So all we need is a 5-minute retracement to even consider wanting to short lower. We're gonna hit this. It's just a matter of when and what. So whoever wants to give me a retracement first, I will take it. But until then, we got nothing. Okay. See what happened. Boom. ES got the retracement. Not enough.
1 minute remaining.
I know we're gonna hit it. It's just a matter of when and what. There we go.
Ten seconds. A build of 101 BCF, a build of 101 BCF, that's bigger than the expected build of 96 BCF.
Okay, there's our proper 5-minute retracement. Come on. Here we go. We're in equilibrium now. No way we leave that behind, right? No way. Low key, if you sweep out those highs, that would be like the best case scenario.
US natural gas futures pair gains up 0.1% after EIA reports bigger than expected storage build. OPEC Plus likely to agree oil output quota hike of 188,000 barrels per day at June 7 meeting, according to sources.
13.25. Oh, dude, this. You gotta be shitting me. Everything that we've done is just a bottom tick. Absolutely. I sweep off the highs, then move lower. I mean, this is an A+ setup. Again, matter of if the market wants to even do that again. It wants to go on some BS right now, which is exactly what it's doing. Open to surprises, man. I'm open to surprises. Leaving those 4-hour lows like that. Gotta be crazy. Gotta be. Like, there's no way we're leaving those 4-hour lows. I just don't understand. Open to surprises, man. Open to surprises. 8 seconds for this. Okay. We at least didn't. We push past these lows, I'll move stops lower. Seven 7 0.
No way you can survive that. Who is Elliot Roger? No.
Second is you realize it is on you. Stop making excuses. Stop saying that the only way that you can never fail at anything in this life is to refuse to give up. Brother, this market is just holy shit. Can we do something about it? Just a back and forth piece of shit. Genuinely, what is happening? Y'all either go short or go long. Can we figure it out? I'm so glad the other account we moved stops to break even when we did. Because, bruh, the market that we have today, just wow. I mean, I took like 3 A+.
To Iran TV, 31 ships passed through the Strait of Hormuz with IRGC coordination.
We've had like 3 A+ setups today. Surely one of them hits. Surely. Right? You would think. First one stopped out, lost money. Fine. Second one stopped out, break even. That's to go long. Now we're shorting again towards these 4-hour lows, which should get hit. But hey, I am open to surprises. I am open to the market literally telling me, yeah, fuck you.
Furthermore, from Iran TV, ships including tankers and container ships in the past 24 hours.
Alright, well, we inverse that gap. Maybe that moves us lower. This is an eval too. I don't care. We are in the chop of doom. All we can do is hope and pray that market moves.
Iranian State TV citing IRGC Navy statement on ship passage.
I am open to surprises, bro. I am open. I mean, you don't take 3 A+ setups for all 3 of them to go low, to not go. I mean, we had news come out that was bullish, news that come out that was bearish. This is one of those fuckery type days. But what am I gonna? I can't sit here and complain. I can't sit here and bitch about this, that, and the third. You know, because at the end of the day, the market's gonna do what the market does, and it's about managing my risk. So, unfortunate for those other 2 accounts. I mean, it looks like we have the right bias of going short today, but let's not count our chickens. And this is just an eval, man. Just can't believe 3 A+ setups, right? We have an A+ setup to go long here, 5-minute equilibrium, and then we move up higher. Or actually, the first trade that we took, right? First trade, boom, right here, 5-minute. Where was it? I don't even know where it was. Oh, it was right here. It was a short. Yeah, it was right here. We enter short. Boom, would have hit these 4-hour lows. Oh no. News comes out. Drake candle to the upside. All right, fine. It is what it is. It happens. Next, we take a long on NQ because we have a bearish or bullish SMT. Guess what? 5-minute equilibrium, 1-minute breaker structure to the upside, right about here. Stopped out at break even. Okay, great, even better. So now we have 5-minute breaker structure, 5-minute equilibrium, fair value gap, and a 1-minute breaker structure on both indexes. And the market looks like it wants to play some bullshit right now. I mean, you either hit the draws of liquidity to the downside or you don't. but at the end of the day, I tried. I tried each and every way today across all my accounts.
At 11 a.m. Eastern Time, expected the Kansas City Fed manufacturing for prior 10, Kansas City Fed Composite Index forecast 8.5 prior 10. Also expecting comments from Trump, who's due to make an announcement
Is
with
that
the
news?
EPA administration. We do have a video in the economic calendar for those interested. And we're also expecting comments from Bank of England's Governor Bailey.
Market is giving me a headache right now. This is the A plus setup. Now let us hope that at least we can go in and not and minimize our losses. At least. Maybe even hit this. Maybe. Please. Please. For today. Because if we're going to close bearish, we're going to close bearish. I mean, at the end of the day, we got 4-hour lows all the way down here. A possibility. It's a possibility, my brothers. My brothers. I mean, we're technically still in... we're technically in daily bearish order flow, but and it looks like news has just come out once again. I mean, we have entered off of what the market was giving us today. There was nothing else I could have done. And so the results are the results. I'm not going to sit here and complain about something that is completely out of my control. So we'll see if market even goes lower. Who is this? Holy shit, the market's on some bullshit. Just to say fuck it, we make sure we at least lose the account. Stop slightly high. I might as well go brush my teeth, do my morning skincare. This shit ain't gonna fucking do anything.
So running just under 5 minutes time, expecting the Kansas City Fed manufacturing prior 10, Kansas City Fed composite index forecast 8.5 prior 10. Also expecting comments from Trump, who's due to make an announcement with EPA administration. We do have the video in the economic calendar.
Oh, Trump speaking.
We're also expecting comments from Bank of England's Governor Bailey.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
What did he say? Trump speaking? Oh, great. Isn't that just amazing? Maybe he says some bullshit and we just completely dump. Well, we have the live stream up. At this point, I'm open to surprises. Let's dump again. Let's dump again. News here, boom. News here, boom. Third news event incoming. It's looking cooked, bros. It is looking cooked. I mean, market did a whole bunch of nothing today. Whole bunch of nothing. Oh, we are getting close to the daily loss limit. Let's see. Yeah, like you can't make this up. Those equal highs. Oh, we're definitely taking that out. 4.75. Yeah. Over. It is over, my friends. Quite literally over. I just don't understand. We went long, we went short, then we went long, then we went short, and now we're long again. Or now we're short. Come on, let's see what it's gonna do. Yo, what's up, Mono Goon? What's good, bro? We're sitting here for like an hour and a half, a whole bunch of bullshit. I mean, literally, what am I supposed to do here? Took a setup to go short towards those 4-hour lows on ES right about here. Stopped out by news. Yeah. I mean, tell me about it. We're chopping around for the past 30 minutes. So we're on an eval right now. We already took a losing trade on here. Yeah, it's kind of a garbage day. Took losses on two of my funded accounts, break even on the third account, and then this one we took a loss already. So uh all of these are A plus setups. You're in a long? Yeah, I mean, took longs like right here after we had equilibrium. Where did you long at? I mean, honestly, for me, looking for a 5 minute break of structure or an inverse fair value gap. Obviously, this is ideally off of some sort of liquidity sweep, so either an hourly 4 hour or our session lows or highs. Um, so what I wanted to see today was us come take out these 4 hour lows since they were so close. We literally edged it, which is our Asian low from last night. But yeah, 5 minute break of structure or inverse fair value gap. 5 minute either equilibrium or a fair value gap, which is what we got right here. And so that's kind of what, and then from there, I'm just looking for confirmation on the 1 minute time frame. So a 1 minute break of structure, 1 minute inverse fair value gap on both indexes in order to sort of target lower. And we got that on both indexes right here, clearly right here. We get an inverse fair value gap and a break of structure to the downside, as well as yeah, right about here as well. So those are the entry looks like. I didn't take it on ES, but that was just marked out. 1735, yeah. What do you got, like the rejection block? What do you trade, like the rejection block or whatever? Is that what it's called? 1735. I mean, right now the market has gone up and it's going down, did absolutely nothing. Yeah, we'll see what happens. 735, yeah, that's right about here. What did you take that off of? 1 minute. 5. So you entered like right about here, right? Looks like maybe it's a rejection block. I'm curious what you trade. Look, there's no right or wrong answer. I'm simply curious. I mean, my reason too for going short, we also are in hourly bearish order flow. Now you could argue, right? Oh, 4 hours we're still bullish, but I feel like until we sweep out these 4 hour lows right here, we kind of got to respect that. I guess that's for me why I shorted. I had a short bias coming in today. So Trump speaking. Oh fuck, I forgot about that. Oh, but yeah, we'll see, bro. See what happens. I really just want to get on with my day at this point. I'm not even looking to. I'm looking to be done. Those stops will go to break even as soon as we go lower here, if that even happens. We'll see who's right today. I mean, everyone sees the market differently. That's one of the great things. Oh, volume profile and some ICT confluences. See. Pretty interesting, pretty interesting. Yeah, I mean, there's no wrong or right answer. We all trade differently, so it's not a matter of there's no right way to trade. The only right way to trade is to like follow your system, follow your rules and risk management plan. So, and controlling your emotions. That's the only like right way I see trading, but there's so many different things. I hope you at least have stops maybe at break even right now. It's not looking too hot. Yeah, this is a big stop for me, an 88-point stop. I mean, I'm really just full porting evals at this point. Oh, hopefully you got stopped out at break even at least. Or maybe your stops are right here. Curious. Could move stops lower, but I'm looking to. We're already down on this account. We need to on this eval. So as soon as this gets hit, let us see, brother. Let it see. Let us see. And now we get the volume. I swear, if ES takes out the 4-hour lows, we form a bullish SMT and we get absolutely nothing off of that, I might scream. At least here we can minimize the losses. It like, instead of losing $856 on this account, it's only $750, which is what I wanted to have. Finally, we are getting some movement. Nah, you're good, bro. I hope you at least put stops to break even or something. Because it looks like we probably will take out these 4-hour lows. Probably. Yeah. See what happened. Well, at least that's good for you, bro. I'm glad you minimized the losses if you got break even. Kind of the right way to trade. I mean, in this market, you kind of just gotta fucking. Oh, is that enough for me to go break even? Hell nah. Need ES to take out those lows. One tick away. One absolute tick. If we completely reverse off of this, I am going to. Yeah, I really just want to see ES. Like, this is. As soon as ES would take this, like, this is an eval. I don't care that much. On my funded account, I would have already been break even. But the fact that we have just if I go break even here and then I get stopped at break even and then we move lower, like, this is an eval. I'm not. I don't care that much. If anything, I'm willing to move stops probably right about here. Where is it? What is it? 4.7. But I'm looking for ES to take this out before we go stops break even. It's right here. I'm also trying to get at least like $100 if we do get stopped at break even. So we minimize the loss on this account. Yeah, I mean, I try to. I've been going. This is like the first week that I've been live on Kick. Holy fucking shit. I usually go live on YouTube, but I decided I might as well go live on Kick because there's a possibility of trying to, get paid every single day from this. I have like, let me see if I can. I post all my trade recaps on YouTube, so But yeah, man. I mean, if you want to come on here, we could chat it up. I know we trade differently, but yeah, I try to go live every market open. Um, so not to say that I want to that we take signals from each other because I don't like group trading. I think that's a stupid thing to do. But hey, gotta have some people to talk to at least. See, like if I would have gone break even here, like I really don't care. These are evals. At this point, you full port evals. I'm trying to get max allocation on Lucid. It would be crazy though if we completely leave these 4-hour lows out. Trump still hasn't started speaking yet. So I guess my experience, YouTube, I've had no one view it. Like at least on Kick, there are a few people who will come in, even if they don't say anything. Like I can see the views go up, like 1 or 2 people, and I'm pretty sure if you have like 100 followers, if you average at least like probably 15 viewers, you could get paid in like an hourly wage. So I mean, hey, like $10 an hour even. I stream for like 2 hours every single day. I mean that covers like maybe an eval a month, which I'm not gonna complain. Because I mean these evals you kind of just it's either you pass or you don't. Like I'm looking to pass in 1 to 2 days. I'm not looking to. The longer that I spend on evals, the more mentally fucked I get. So because I currently have 3 funded accounts. I have 2 evals right now. I'm only trading one of them. Um, yeah, trying to get the 5 accounts on Lucid. So holy fucking whiplash. That would be insane if we just left that behind. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like you can get paid an hourly wage. There's a possibility. So oh, surprise, surprise, my brother. I would rather lose the account actually. Having $200 left is not
And
ideal.
seeing here, French Prime Minister Le Cornu says Iran conflict bound to last.
How is that bullish? I would rather lose the account than have $100 left. Yeah, talk about fucking whiplash. I would rather lose the account because I'm not gonna sit here with $200 left and try to trade that. It's just not my. Should have took your advice. Gone break even. So I have two. So the funded accounts that I have are two
Rubio
50K.
says, let's see if we can get a deal with Iran. There are some good signs.
I have two flex 50Ks. Those are funded. One 50K pro, and then these are two 50K. Right now, I'm trading a 50K flex eval. Yeah, I don't care about the count. Because the fact that we didn't take out these 4-hour lows just tells me, like, whatever.
Mine at 5 this time, expecting comments from Fed's Goolsby. The Fed bids for 4-week bills total $3.9 billion.
$400 left on this. I mean, absolutely insane the fact that we left these right here. Absolutely insane. 4-hour swing lows. Or not, 4-hour internal lows. Absolutely insane that we did not. I mean, if that doesn't tell you what type of price action we have today, I don't know what does. We better hope that like Trump comes out. Talk about SMT, bruh. Insane work. SMT from where is it? Oop. We're getting so much buying pressure out of this, or sell pressure out of this. I do trade. For me, SMT is kind of to determine which index to trade on. It's not necessarily like a confluence that I will enter off of. It just helps me. Like if I were to go long, I would have gone long right here on NQ because we have this bullish SMT from here to here. But wow. I mean, one fucking tick. Literally one tick on ES. That's insane. Crazy to like. We're going to take this out because these are relative equal highs. But that SMT is no longer valid in my opinion because now we're trying to form a bearish SMT from these lows to these lows, or these highs to these highs, and then we have this. Like that's the only signal that I see. Maybe we can go lower, but again, we have to do this. Supposed to go on a walk, man. Wow. This is the bullshit that we're in. I just don't. The market today just presented setups and completely faked us out on every single. Like I mean, you try to go long, faked out. You try to go short. Now we're starting to make moves up. I think. I don't really know what else to really say. Yeah, I mean, in my opinion, if you're not at, like, I'm not gonna tell you what to do, but I would probably just hop off for the day. I should be hopping off, but we're in a trade right now, so 11 a.m. is usually when I try to hop off, be done, because at that point the market is not gonna show me something, and we're still waiting for Trump to speak. I mean, I think that's why we're chopping around because we're waiting for Trump to speak, whatever this is.
Surely expecting comments from Fed's Goolsby.
Yeah, breakout. You trade. I guess I see a lot of people trade only NQ. Do you trade NQ or do you trade NQ and ES? Because me, I am willing to trade both of them. I don't really see. Sometimes I like taking ES because when you're on micro contracts, you can kind of get a lot more contracts. Do yeah, NQ. Yeah. If we keep this account, we could do is honestly, yeah. I mean, yeah, to each his own. Sometimes I just, I don't know. I think we're gonna do this, or we're gonna chop until Trump speaks. Should be now, but we're waiting. I really just want to hop off, bro. Either lose the account or hop off. Yeah. $209. For news, I usually use Forex Factory for like the scheduled news and then live. I mean, this is a little delayed, but I use financialjuice.com. Just have this guy talking. So
At 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the US 4-week bill auction. Prior high yield 3.605%, prior bid to cover 2.66. Also expecting comments from ECB's Elderson.
I mean, I kind of want to, like, we're not seeing a breakout of anything. I mean, the market I see the market going either way right now. But I mean, 3 relative equal highs, easy longs to at least right here. In what I see. Again, I mean, this market, the thing with trading these markets, there's nothing that surprises you. I mean, I'm not surprised at all that we miss the 4-hour lows by literally a tick. Nothing surprises me there. Maybe I could have gone break even, maybe not. But to say that, on a funded account, I would have gone break even. But this one, when I'm trying to just get the 50% consistency rule, like I don't care. I would rather get stopped out, lose the account, than try to save. I mean, I could just exit right here, save $500 in the account, but I mean, I really don't.
Sitting here, S&P's Vice President Martin making remarks in a slide presentation. Martin says S&P has elevated willingness to intervene in the forex. S&P's Martin said midterm inflation pressures basically unchanged, and Martin says Swiss inflation is within price stability range.
Will be crazy. We sweep out these highs and then we completely dump. That would be insane. It ain't looking too hot. Down to our last $200. 190. 18. Probably cooked, but
Seeing it, Axel says White House postpones AI EO signing ceremony.
told you it was easy longs towards the 3 relative equal highs. Enter long
So
right
Axel
there.
citing a note in report on postponed AI order ceremony.
Come on, bro. Can we do something? Either stop me out or stop me out. $73. Come on. Take me out.
And Axel's just further saying the AI EO signing postponed to a later date.
Imagine we go all the way down right now. All the way down. Still waiting for Trump to speak. Yeah, it's not crazy to go long. We did get a breakout of that. I guess I'm curious how late do you end up trading? Because I only stick to 9:30 to like 11 a.m. usually. If I don't find a setup by 11 a.m., I'll just hop off. I don't trade PM session. I don't trade London session. I don't trade Asian session. Because like I feel like sitting on the charts for too long has been not beneficial to me. We've been just completely inversing each other.
French Prime Minister Le
Trying to
Cornu
make me
says
your
there will be no
liquidity,
proposed
bruh.
tax
Come on.
increases in 2027 budget plan.
Oh, imagine.
So, reminder in 5 minutes' time, we're expecting the US 4-week bill auction, prior high yield 3.605%, prior bid to cover 2.66. Also expecting comments from ECB's Elderson.
And Trump. Brother, and Trump. Well, that doesn't even matter anymore. fully edge my fully edge my loss limit on this account. Yeah. Brother's trying to inverse me. We'll see who right. I generally don't know where the fuck the market's going today. I thought I knew. I was confident. You know, we took shorts, we took longs, then we took, what was it, longs again or short? I don't even know. Let's see. We even tap into that. Oh, here we go. 229. Where'd you put the stop loss? You're at 229. Where's the stops at? See who's right. Enter right here. Monogoon, where'd you put the stop loss? I'm curious. I want to see what plays out. Try to guess. No shot you put stops right here. That's way too. I doubt you put. Maybe you're him. 218? Ain't no way stops are at 218. 202? Damn. Oh, 202 is right here. Stupid. But 22. Issue is we have all these. We might take out, in my opinion, we might take out these lows if we before we even would want to start to move up. That's what I see. I love seeing the thing I love about day trading is there are so many different ways to do it. So TP at 310. Oh, yeah, that's not crazy.
Surely expecting the US 4-week bill auction. Furthermore, surely expecting comments from ECB's Elderson.
Oops. 310. Little 1 to 2 point something. Oh, wait. 310. What do you trade? Do you trade live or funded accounts? Funded, yeah. All right, let's see who bangs out. Currently, you're up right now. Still on eval? Yeah. Damn, but you're targeting a 1 to 3? Got some real balls for that, in my opinion. Have you gotten a payout yet before? Surely you've gotten a payout before. Volume profile. Are you doing what I'm doing, just full porting the evals? Gotta know if you're him. I've gotta know. Oh. Oh. Going lower. Say we take out this low, tap into the gap first, and then if we respect the gap, going long. Really? Damn, bro. How long you been trading for? Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Oh. Fully edge TP. Oh, 202. Monogoon. Oh no. You're good, Monogoon. Like I totally understand. I've blown so many funded accounts. I've only damn. Feel bad. Feels bad, bro. I hope that didn't blow your account.
High yield for 3.61%, 3.61%, bid to cover
Yeah.
2.6,
I don't blame you,
2.6,
bro.
US selling
Market is not
100 billion
happening.
and awarding 62.57% of
To be
bids at
fair,
buy.
I think I'm gonna get stopped out at some point too, unless we inverse the 5-minute gap here. Because I mean, we left these 4-hour lows. I find it so hard to believe that we would go long here. Charge it to the game, bruh. You can come back tomorrow.
Well, hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
We inverse this gap. Might not be crazy to go long there. I would rather stick with this. I'm not gonna take a trade. But this is like a setup that I would see. Yeah. Quite unfortunate. Damn, bro. GG's. Charge it to the game, bro. It goes to my TP. I'm smashing my piece. Nah, you're good, man. This happens in the market, bro. You gotta just sit with the loss. Save it for tomorrow. You can come back in tomorrow. The thing with trading, man, you gotta. I don't know how long you've been trading for, but trust me, like there's been so much bullshit, and at some point you just gotta become numb to it. So, whether you're still early in your career or later, at some point you're gonna have to take a deep breath. One of the things that I do is I will literally manually lock myself out. I will go on the Tradeovate website or whatever thing that you're using and press the manual lockout so I don't do anything stupid. On top of that, I would literally go for a walk. One of the best things that you could do is just take your mind off of it, back test, go see what went wrong today. I'm not worried, man, as long as you keep going. Like you might be struggling, like just think right now, maybe you're struggling to pass an eval, and that's completely okay. But as soon as you pass like one eval, as soon as you pass two, like evals are gonna continually start being passed. And then at that point, once you like a hard part from there is okay, can I turn this eval into a funded? Or this funded account into a payout. And so that's the next step. And so you'll struggle until you get the payout. But once you get the first payout, then everything else comes easier. And so it's all these stepping stones. So I'm not worried, man. I know you got it. You know. As long as you have the data to back up. What firm? I've tried Top Step, hated Top Step. I've done My Funded Futures. I actually enjoyed My Funded Futures, but if I were to choose one, which is what I'm using, is Lucid. Because My Funded Futures, they have a what do you call it? It's like a monthly subscription for the eval. So if you don't pass it in a month, you got to pay again. And so what I like about Lucid is it's a one-time fee. You don't have to. There's no activation fee, and there's also no Yeah, lucid. You're good, bro, man. Don't worry about it. You know, losses happen. The market today has just been completely back and forth. There's absolutely nothing to be upset about. Everything's out of you. Like, sure, like you press the buy button. Oh, here we are. Like you press the buy button at the end of the day. Yes, it is you who did it. But when we have conditions like that, there's nothing you can do except protect your capital. Um, yeah, man, just come back tomorrow. We got a great day tomorrow. You know, I'm not worried for you that you'll figure it out as long as you keep going. Whether you've been doing this for a while or you're still learning, like, trust me, all these losses, it'll come back tenfold as long as you stick with it. And things can turn around like that, like literally like that. As you see with this market, we could get a Drake candle to the upside, we can get a Drake candle to the downside, and you'll make like $1,000 in a day or even $1,500 in a day. So again, this market is just holy shit. I've never seen. I mean, we had shitty price action on Monday as well. What was it, Monday or Tuesday? One of the days it was so garbage, I just could not believe it. It ain't even that crazy. I have Trump speaking. Look how back and forth today is. Yeah. My opinion, bro, just hop off, just call it a day, come back tomorrow. Like this market's chopped already at this point. I mean, we are just in a zone. Yeah. Let's see, like I probably both of us are gonna get cooked today. What the f are we watching? All right, let's see. Although I would low-key be willing to take a second trade on ES. We can like inverse this gap. I mean, those 4-hour lows look juicy to me. Absolutely juicy. I don't know how much to risk on that. How much do you even risk? Disgusting. Extra $200. I mean, we might not even have $200 to spare here. That might actually fuck us if we try to trade this, but I mean, those 4-hour lows look so clean. Guess we get stopped out right here.
Fed Goolsby, an interview with WEZ Chicago Radio, says we have a pretty significant inflation problem, but the job market is stable.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard for me to want to like be bullish or be bearish. To me, I look at draws of liquidity and the fact that oh, we cooked. Are we cooked? Probably cooked. Look at how shit this is. All right, let's take us out. $90. It's not looking too hot for me. I gotta be honest. Not looking too hot. Trump, save me, please. But it's crying strat. No. Let's bring out the where's the magnet? Please, magnet method. Where fuck, where'd the magnet go? Ah, $24. Holy edge. Oh my god, if ES breaks structure to the downside, we might be golden. Where is my magnet method? Come on. Oh my god, the holy edge. $178 left. We're cooked. It's over.
Coolspeed says I'm most attuned to inflation side of the dual mandate.
No. We're cooked. Wait. Why am I missing a candle? Pickaxe method. Where's the pickaxe? $100 left. 94. 87. Brother, either take me out or not. I'm tired of being here. $40. 69. It's cooked. We're over. It's over. 34. There we go. And there goes the account. Baker. All right. So at least we're in the same boat today. Oh, that's funny. See, you gotta have fun with it, man. Like at the end of the day, this is what we're doing to have fun. What are we looking at right now? I don't even know what to say. Thank God I did not. Yeah, I know. Wow, wow, wow. Thank God I didn't take this on the funded account and that we were just trying to full port eval. Holy shit, this was a... What a garbage day. Yeah, it is what it is. So we lost, let's see, 231 plus 253.5. I mean, we're not going to count the eval because fucking eval. Honestly. $484.50. Oh my god, and if we dump all the way lower, I'm actually going to scream. This is my sign to lock out. Alright, bro. Well, I hope you at least had fun. I did. I took... Okay, so I'm gonna break down the other trades that I took. I mean, whatever. Fuck the eval. So I actually lost this much. This was across 2 accounts. It was like 230 something on one funded account, $251 on the second funded account, and then we got break even on the third account. I'm gonna break down the trades that I did take today. All of them. I mean, A plus. I had 4 A plus setups today. Every single one of them got destroyed. So, look, I don't know what to say. I genuinely don't. So, first setup right here. This was the first trade that I took that got us a loss. And I was obviously targeting these 4-hour lows, which I can't believe we... Insane work. But I'm not surprised at all that the market does this. If I can even... Alright, bro. I'm trying to show you. Bro, what? Placed a limit on demo and didn't get filled. This was so perfect. You didn't actually trade the eval? Dang, bro. Anyways, I'm gonna go over the trades that I did take today. Because honestly, fuck this. Let's see. So we had the 5-minute NASDAQ. No, I don't want the NASDAQ. Yes, here. All right. So first trade that we took that was a loss was Literally right here. Stops were right here. Call it a nasty RR. I saw this setup. I mean, 4-hour lows were way too quick. I was gonna take like one contract out here, wait till NQ took it out. So that was, yeah. But anyways, this was the first setup that I took right here. Why is I don't remember the RR being that shit. Maybe it was. Or did I take it on NQ? I took it on something. Maybe it was here. Either way, whatever. I took like this setup. This was the first setup. Bang. Got fucked. Whatever. That's where I lost $231 on one account, $251 on the other account. Whatever, that's fine. Then, that was the first setup. Then we took longs. Right? We had a sort of a bullish SMT, kind of. Somewhere. Whatever. We were in 5-minute bullish order flow. Did not get a proper retracement to go long. I did not see us like break structure on the 1 minute. So I waited for 5-minute equilibrium to be hit. We got that right here. I actually entered right off of, yeah, right off of this candle. And somehow I got break even on that. I don't know how, but I somehow got break even on it. Or was it here? I don't know. Somehow I got a break even trade on this. So that was that. Locked my eval, yeah. Good stuff. So that was the second trade, which was an L. Or which was break even. And then we took a short. Once again. Actually, no. Yeah. I don't even remember. Anyways, we took longs, we took shorts, we took longs, we took shorts, and every single thing did not hit. We left these 4-hour lows. I mean, you watched it right here that we got fucking bitched out by that. So either way, we live to trade another day. I'm not worried. And yeah. Wow. Look at this. One singular tick. Bullish S&T. Anyways, I will see you tomorrow. Yeah. I enjoyed talking to you, bro. It was funny to we both the market didn't do jack shit today, so hey, at least your eval is good though. I traded my eval but not on demo. See ya, bro.